Thanks for staying with us. Don't delay. Prompt medical attention is essential for brain bleed patients. Shamela Pullen tells us more in this evening's health report.
When a blood vessel in the brain ruptures, it can cause bleeding in or around the brain. This is known as cerebral hemorrhage or brain bleed. The condition is due to several factors.
Bleeding within the brain or intracranial hemorrhage can be caused from several reasons. One of the most common is high blood pressure, where the blood pressure is too high and the blood vessels rupture. Another cause is aneurysm, which is basically a bubble in the blood vessel wall, and that can rupture as well, causing bleeding within the head that is life-threatening. You can also have blood vessel abnormalities, sort of blood vessel tumors, or blood vessel moles even, where the blood vessels are not normal and can't withstand certain normal pressures, and that causes them to bleed as well.
Persons who are obese, hypertensive, have organ dysfunctions such as kidney problems, and diabetics are mainly at risk.
Oftentimes people have a severe headache with nausea, vomiting, they get very sleepy, more sleepy than usual, you can't wake them up. So that's a good sign that something's going on. You're unable to wake them up, they've had a really bad headache, they're nauseous, they can't hold down food. That's a dangerous sign. Also, you can have stroke-like symptoms from bleeding in the brain, meaning weakness or numbness on one side of the body. You lose the ability to talk, things like that.
Brain bleeds can be fatal if not treated promptly and properly.
So, with bleeding in the brain from hypertension, typically the main thing is to lower that blood pressure back. Typically, we have to do it artificially. And we also sometimes will have to control the pressure in the head through artificial means. So if that blood is clogging up the plumbing and there's increase of fluid in the head, we basically drain that fluid, use that drain to control the pressure, and we control the blood pressure and we allow the patient to recover and heal.
So even if treated, brain bleeds can lead to long-term damage, which is why it is important for persons to seek urgent medical attention. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.